10 years, what I say, come pray for a brand some free or banner. Nagana for me, you woo, we they die, we are dying, we are dying, and an aquafado who said, no, wedding, I was so changing. I was so twisted as sending now, so that Ghanaians will understand dying well. To your dream say, now who tells some near humanity you are dying? More prayers, so much one was continue near humanity who go to the same dying, roads in New dying, no food, die. Be beer Ghana for so moved in an aquafado castle. Not that way. I asked some of the moon best in my uncle's Yanko, with Geneva, so Cassam, Yan said, or sinner say, upon us, a real grass or die be die. And one and an apple for the start say, obey you see again, or you see me 25 times. And then the immediate name do until measure. Moment before the term back home over. Measure. Now, my badger meet me as before Kakra. And come a better me say. When me come and this for so oh, I'm a prophet so. Me come and this for so send come me and this for now. And come me put in motion say. Oh, man, and I put 2 more years in come home, not just say we trap 10. Not just say from that time going and I put for the 20 days, we know the 8. Not just say from that time, no be a baby, I bet now for 10 years, 10 years, 10 years. First 5 years, they review nonsense, no. Say review nonsense, no, they vote, say you should not continue. No, we see from. We see from our vice and better us. Yeah, she be a vice and better us when to my annie tonight, opposition for now, but it's a damn time no son, nay, I voting bill. Jawata say. Into one kind jump off on the day. Even though they think I am mad and I'm not doing them a favor. One can now how many years? You can campaign or Batinada or Babatinada by the time we obey inauguration. On Pono after the following year with the Addo. And son or double ministers who and son or double read the Yama. Hey, why ya Basson? What's 100 days of whatever community? Okay, if it is true that we are stupid enough, in fact it is true that we are stupid enough that everybody comes and they stop the project of the other one. But me assure that 10 years is a cerebral brain here, the possibility that you go to know a very little. Now me feel that 10 years is a very more than Anna Mahabada. Anna Mahabada. In the man Joe. NDC 2024, we too say do or die. So do or die. Good for good, leg for leg, teeth for teeth, whatever you want, column. But I want you to understand that just as Oliver is saying that the cool word is from the French, if I tell you or die be die, the origin in the Latin word, we will not finish today. So, Sister Marie, I have dedicated this whole one for you, but you have blocked me. Oh, Maria.
That we should not storm the streets. Maybe we're Ghana by now, come storm the streets.
Sister, this is how you lie to the little children. They will say, oh, sister, no, because you are revered. People respect you. Then you have ignited somebody's passion. Meanwhile, no, tisi chroma. And son of a cross your dawn and O'Brien, now at Yatum. Now we're at a muffin, English muffin, having English breakfast, eating your bakings and your her sister. Matisse, see, yeah, London face the country. You know, you go. Moamuko be obaye. Miss Oliver Wagana, he's been here since February. I don't care how many seconds he got released. He's an activist, he is a volunteer, he's a martyr. He should be does he know what Gandhi did? And then soon I say Sena Martin Luther King to know the Abra Fumba or Kwana side. Kwana of chopping white pussies. Hey, Martin. But believe me, there's no sensible person who will just switch into watch your stupidity when they can go and make sense some way. Nobody will do that.
Oliver says they went to get this $50,000 from this billionaire. The foundation was established by an American billionaire. His name is George Soros, who has in the past supported the Black Lives Matter movement. See, this man, he is pure white. Brony fitaya wono hungry white man. Onumpo onyadajie she daki odwan biti se Oliver share no. Eno man 50,000 say ofan konkwaya ni fix the country no brony o. Not only say wabwa Oliver mpo, even Black Lives Matter no, he cares about it. Now let me ask, how many foundations has a celebrity like Stephen Apiana, Afra Kosian or friend, Kevin Taylor see your bonny dear and hallelujah and so. Stephen Apia, how many foundations? No, I'm honestly asking, how many foundations does he have? And what does his foundation do? This man is white. So even let's say Stephen Apia has 5 foundations, he ain't done shit because this man is white. He doesn't have to give a fuck about blacks. But white man we were my iska and on so what it be before more wanting home. Yeah, celebrities ne dear no more ye. Yeah, kasa ye celebrities so fix the country no munara no. Mutumi bragia na ubeka say you people wash your hand with champagne. You brag. You get Kevin Taylor who say, oh, I will pay this person who show you. You won your yedi. You Kevin, you can afford. Messi, that guy insulted you by being silent, and I now understand. But now I know can you afford to pay somebody? Can you? This George Soros, he was born in 1930, hungry, pure white man, Hungarian, pure white man. Oh, this party is on. No, I don't like that. Why are you with them? This one, no. I wasn't saying aging demi. Hey, only David, a shake him. It is because you are mad that I am not going to pay you any mind. It's because you are sick. You are literally incoherent. That is why I will not pay you any mind. Okay? Now, the next time you think, say, you have anything to say, please do yourself a favor and let somebody try and teach you some words in English, translate it for you so that I can come to my level, because baby I would feel bano. Jimmy dear mama dodo, I can't see myself go fight someone in the gutter. You are beneath the gutter. You are the trash in the cans that you collect. Oh, why? A group of researchers have found that direct and prolonged exposure